Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. I am now going to show you the results of the trades we had on today and how we are standing with the current strategies that we are using from our live session. By the way, I will go live tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on, and also help me out, like this video. Also, before I get to the results, make sure you sign up for this broker. You find the link below the video. Also, when you use that link, you got the promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. The promo code is Alpha1. So, like I said, we have been trading with three strategies. One is moving average 7. This strategy is following in a trend. When you join my live session, I explain very in specific how you are going to trade it. The second strategy is Bollinger Band together with Stochastic. That strategy is also very simple to follow. I explain in my YouTube videos. And the third one, that is leading, by the way, is support and resistance. So currently, like I said, Bollinger Band, have done little bad, but this one trade quite a lot. So this one can go in huge profit in one day. So it's the I will say we might do like 3 times more trade with Bollinger Band than we do with any other, so that one can change very fast. This one is currently in minus $378. Support and resistance is at $268 profit, and moving average 7 did now turn into profit level and is 181. So all in all, we are in for all strategies we are in profit, as Bollinger Band have losses a little, but all in all we are in profit. So if you want to follow me and trade together with me, make sure to sign up and join me also in Discord, because we trade live in Discord every time we're live in YouTube. So make sure you join there also. So with that, have an amazing day. And yes, we make money with all three strategies. Bollinger Band is a little in minus right now, but I'm pretty sure this one maybe even can be the winning strategy in the end. So we are going to be trading tomorrow and all next week before we decide which of the three are the best. So that, have an amazing day.